Lysosomes. Lysosomes are single membrane-bound organelles present in animal cells. They are heterogeneous in structure. That means they are vary in shape and size. They have acidic internal pH and contain many more hydrolytic enzymes. Hello friends, welcome to Biology Concern. I am Animesh, and in this video I am going to discuss about the brief idea about lysosomes. So let's jump into the topic. First thing, as I told before, that this is a single membrane bound organelle. So this is a single membrane bound organelles present in all animal cells. They are heterogeneous in structure. That means they vary in shape and size. Lysosomes have acidic internal pH about 5. That means the internal pH of lysosomes contain as about 5 pH. Okay, and they contain filled with many more hydrolytic enzymes. Lysosomes contain many actually 40 different types of hydrolytic enzymes, including protease, nuclease, glycosidase, lipases, phospholipases, phosphatases, etc. So there are 40 different kinds of hydrolytic enzymes that is present within the lysosome. And when a lysosome bursts inside of a cell, so that means if we contain, this is a cell, we think this is a cell and this is a lysosome. So lysosome contains 40 different kinds of hydrolytic enzymes, right? So if this lysosome bursts inside of the cell, that those hydrolytic enzymes are very much dangerous for particular cell, and they actually digest this particular cell. That's why lysosomes is also called as suicidal bags. Okay, so that means it actually destroys the particular cell in which that is resides. Okay, next thing is the vacuolar H plus ATPase, that is the lysosome present in the lysosomal membrane, and these pumps or these ATPases means that is the enzymes that broke down the ATP from ATP to ADP, that is adenosine triphosphate to adenosine diphosphate, and produces a extra phosphate. And in this manner, in this way, they actually pump in hydrogen ions from outside to inside of the lysosome. So this is the lysosome and this is the cytosol. Okay, so all of that, this structure is totally cytosol. That means this is the total cell, this is the lysosome, and ATP is present in here in this manner, and it converts ATP into ADP. Okay, ATP into ADP, adenosine triphosphate to adenosine diphosphate. In this manner, they actually uptake H plus ions inside of lysosomes, and by which the lysosomes contain its pH about 5. Okay, next thing, the lysosomes are two types. The one is primary lysosomes and secondary one is and another one is secondary lysosomes. So primary lysosomes do not contain materials for intercellular digestion. That means those lysosomes are nascent lysosomes that are produced from the Golgi bodies, and they are unable to digest any kind of material. So they are primary lysosomes. Okay, they are unable to digest any kind of materials or intercellular digestions. Next thing is secondary lysosomes. That is those lysosomes are mature lysosomes. Okay, so those lysosomes are mature lysosomes, and they contain the materials that is undergone the digestion or already have been digested. So if we took a cell and these lysosome, that lysosome has the capability to digest any kind of product, these lysosomes are known as secondary lysosomes. But the lysosomes which cannot digest those intercellular products or extracellular products, they are nascent lysosomes and they are primary lysosomes. Okay, and in case of digestion, there are two types of variation found in the inside of lysosome according to the lysosome. So one is autophagy and another one is heterophagy. Autophagy means any component of inside of the cell is digested within the lysosome. That means if we consider this is a cell and this is a lysosome, so any content that take up from the cytosol, so this is the cytosol to the lysosome, and inside of the lysosome this material has been digested. Okay, so cytosolic material internalized into the lysosome and they has been digested. Those phenomenon are known as the autophagy. Okay, and what is heterophagy? Any material that takes from the outside to inside of the cell. So when we took material from outside to inside of the cell and within a vesicle, and after that fuse the vesicle with particular lysosomes and digested those particular materials, this is known as heterophagy, or also it is known as phagocytosis or endocytosis, etc. So autophagy means the cytosolic compounds or complexes taken up the lysosome by the lysosome and digested inside of the lysosome. And heterophagy means the component that is taken from outside to inside of the cell, and after that lysosome fuse with that particular vesicle and it digests the particular material. So this is the difference between autophagy and heterophagy. So this is all about lysosomal and overview. That means primary lysosomes are lysosomes, they do not contain the material for intercellular digestion. That means they do not contain the hydrolytic enzymes. So in this case, in case of primary lysosomes, hydrolytic enzymes are prepared, but in the form of secondary lysosomes, hydrolytic enzymes are fully activated, and those hydrolytic enzymes are capable to digest any kind of material inside of a cell, or the material that is taken up inside of the cell from outside. So those are the mature lysosomes or secondary lysosomes, and the first one is the immature or nascent lysosomes, that is the primary lysosomes. So primary lysosomes and secondary lysosomes are there. And what is the autophagy and what is the heterophagy? When a cell digest its own material, that is the cytosolic material within the lysosome, it is called as autophagy. But when a cell digests something that is outside from the cell and came outside from the cell and with compact within a vesicle, and those vesicles are fused with a particular lysosome and finally digested it, so this is known as heterophagy, or sometimes called phagocytosis. Okay, so this is the whole about the lysosome, a brief overview. I think this video helps you to understand about the lysosomal components. What are the H plus vacuolar H plus pump or ATPases that is helps the lowering the pH of the lysosomes, and all about this. If you like that video, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.